Class 10, let us continue the chapter. Now we have started arithmetic mean on statistics. Now, on the last video, already I have mentioned some earnings, that means 10 days earnings. Okay, now just continuing the same thing. Now, those 10 days earnings, it was written in ungrouped data form. Ungrouped data form. Now, if I want to write in grouped data, that means in your class also, if I say how many from your class, those who have got out of say 50, those who have got 20 to 30 marks. What we will do, 20 to 30 marks, maybe 20 to some 20 marks got say 2 students, 30 marks got 5 students, 25 marks got 3 students. So all these students, they will raise their hands. Okay, that means 20 to 30. Now we can make a group. This is the grouped data. In this way we can make a group data. Same thing here. Now if I write here, say, now we can write all the data, that means already written the last video. Just follow the last video. Data written what? 350, 350, 325, say 350, repeating, 325, next is 375, next 400, next and 300 also there. 300, 350, 325, 375, 400. These are the earnings earned in 10 days. Okay. Now, if we want to write these earnings in a group form, if you want to write, we will write this all data in a group form. That means grouped data. And this method I will explain as direct method. Okay. What is this method? So we will write at first how many columns? At first write class. Next is frequency, class mark obviously. Next is frequency. Frequency, next is fx. Okay. From those data it was written that 300 to 325, we can write 300 to 325, because after 300, 325 the next earning. 300 to 325. Now 325 and 300, frequency given there, 300 to 325. Okay, frequency is 3. Next 325 to 350, 325 to 350, 325 to 350, frequency is 3. Next 350 to 375, 350 to 375, frequency is 2. 350 to 375, frequency is 2. Okay. 375 to 400, 375 to 400, 375 to 400, frequency is again 2. Yes. Okay. Now we have to find the class mark. What is the formula for class mark? Write this formula first. Class mark formula. How to write class mark? Class mark means, how to write class mark? Upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Now 300 to 325, this is known as the lower class limit, and this 325, this is known as the upper class limit. Now in the second class, we get 325 as the lower class limit and 350 as the upper class limit. Similarly here, 350 as the lower class limit, 375 as the upper class limit, and here 375 as the lower class limit and 400 is the upper class limit. Then what is the formula to find class mark? We write the class mark as X. Okay. Now that is equals to upper class limit here 325 plus lower class limit 300. So 325 plus 300, that gives us 325 plus 300 divided by 2. That means 625. 625 by 2, which gives us 625 divided by 2, that is equals to 312.5. 312.5. This is the calculation for the first class. 312.5. Similarly, we will do the calculation for the second one. 300 plus 300, 600, 600 plus 50 plus 675 by 2. 675 by 2, that gives us 337.5. Next is again this one, 350 plus 375. 350 plus 350, 700 plus 25, 725 by 2. 725 plus by 2, that is coming... no, not 300 plus 300 is 600, and 50 plus 50, 700. 725 is coming. 350 to 375. Yes. Okay. Then it's coming 362.5. Okay. Next 375 to 400, that is coming 387.5. Okay, that is the class mark. Frequency written here, and we know sigma f equals to 10. Add this. Now we have to find fx. This is frequency f and this is x. So 312.5 into 3, that is fx. 312.5 into 3 means 937.5. 937.5. Now 337.5 into 3, that gives us 1012.5. Next is 362.5, that is 725. 725. And next is 387.5 into 2, that gives us 775. 775, yes. 775. Now same thing here, find sigma fx. Add all these. By adding, we will get 3450. 3450. Okay. Okay. Therefore, x bar equals to, no more columns, only write x bar equals to, we know the formula sigma f. This is the direct method. See, if when class will be there, if class is there, then we have to find the class mark, then frequency, then fx, then sigma fx by sigma f. 3450 by 10. 3450 by 10. We will get 345. The answer. This is the answer, that is arithmetic mean by direct method. In your question, don't worry, method will be mentioned. In your question, method will be mentioned. Which method we will follow, method will be mentioned. If you, say if you get there is a method not mentioned, if you get like this, then any method you can apply. What which one will be easier for you, that particular method you will apply. Okay. Now let me rub the board. Next is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. This method is also very important method. What is assumed mean method? Assumed mean method or short method or deviation method, all these are equal, remember. Assumed mean method or short method or deviation method. Okay, assumed mean method. This is short method, odd deviation method. All these are equal. Remember, any method there will be mentioned. You have to do the same way. Method are same, but all these are equal, but names are different. Okay. Now, at first, I will explain what is this method. Okay. Explanation coming with new video.